Okay, so if I spin the Opti slowly, you can hear the injectors clicking periodically. Now if I spin the Opti faster, there's no injector clicking. And there's some weird sound that sounds like it's coming from the back or bottom of the motor. Kind of like a squeaky click noise. Now if I spin the Opti quickly, you can hear the injectors clicking and one of the cooling fans will kick on after a few seconds. And then the second one kicked on after a couple more seconds. As soon as I stopped spinning the Opti, the fans shut off. Now this is with the ICM harness disconnected, so it's not trying to spark at all. If I reconnect the ICM harness, I assume I'll get some spark from the coil output lead here. And you can see it sparking there, so it's definitely firing the coil with the ICM harness reconnected when I spin the Opti. So, yeah, what the heck.